Your Majesty. No, but it will take long. Kamala can talk. Rwenzururu wetu.
I would like to thank His Majesty for this appointment, for the trust that he has put in me and my family, so that we can lead and guide the ministers and the cabinet of Rwenzururu. We are ready to do this work. We have accepted, and we shall continue serving the Rwenzururu in that new capacity. We are working on a strategic plan for 5 years, and this will guide us. And this strategic plan is guided by the 5 pillars that His Majesty has given us. The pillar of peace, the pillar of unity, the pillar of reconciliation, the pillar of socio-economic and cultural transformation, and the pillar of mindset change. This is what is going to lead us as we work on the strategic development plan. I want to call upon the heads of our clans to now shift from the role of being simply clan leaders, but to look at how peaceful their clans are, how united the clans are, how any issues that arise are settled amicably, and the development strategies and work that is in those clans, above all ensuring that we can change our minds to development work. So it is important that we go shifting from the old way of doing things. We keep the cultural aspect that bring us together. We keep the cultural aspects that cause development, but those which don't cause development, we ensure that we work together to change them.
I take this opportunity to thank His Majesty Omsinga Charles Lemunde Mangoma for the appointment. I'm humbled, and I'm ready to serve the kingdom to my expectations. With God, everything is possible. My priorities are: 1 is ending child marriages, and 2, disseminating the policy guidelines on family and gender relations of Rwenzururu. These policies were launched in April 2024, and to ensure that sexual reproductive health rights are well known to our children, and also ensure that gender-based violence, since it's on the rise in this region, to ensure that we fight it, so that we have families that are living in peace and harmony, and ensuring that there is development in the families.
I, Baritazale Kule Benson, having been appointed to the office of Omulembera Prime Minister, do hereby swear and solemnly affirm that I will at all times truly serve and be loyal to His Majesty Omsinga Iremangoma and Omsinga Rwenzururu in the office of Prime Minister. And I will uphold, honor, protect, and defend the Constitution of Rwenzururu as by law established.
I will uphold, honor, protect, and defend the Constitution of Rwenzururu.
loyal to His Majesty Omusinga Iremangoma and Omusinga wa Rwenzururu in the office of Prime Minister.